Good morning, everybody. This is your Euro USD setups for today. I just want to put two levels in here because they are kind of significant, and I'm really just picking up this range bar here. If you look left, you'll see there's a lot of fractals inside that zone. So we need to clear this zone properly to the upside or to the downside before you even start looking for anything. And what we have here is not a clear properly scenario. So this is really just, to me, bottom of range. If we get to the 3 hour, you can see, broken before, sitting over here at the moment. This could be a higher low forming. Obviously, it's only going to come into play once we clear 107,626. And then you can see we have a bit of a rounding bottom forming. And that would be the setup to the upside. So that's going to be a clear break of 107,626. We need a clear break to the downside here if this is going to go any further, and that's 107,107. But when I say clear break, it needs to move past, drop below these things, and then come back and test it. Look at my oscillators. My oscillator's indicating that that's pie in the sky, and that it looks like we're going to the top of the range at the moment. Looking at the hour, it was one-way traffic for most of yesterday, just below the 150 EMA, which is always your signal. Because as long as you're below the 150 EMA, you're looking for shorts. The trouble that I have with that scenario today is there was the trend line of the day, and we have broken through. So you'll see it clearer here on the 15 minute. So we trended down, stayed below the 150, and sellers coming in all the way down. Missing the level, but forming structure just below it and then coming back up. So yeah, it could be a situation of form structure here at 107,107 and then continue moving up, but I'd want us to be above the 150 EMA on whatever time frame that you are watching. So for me, that's the hour. The older I get, the less patience I have for the 15 and 5 minute charts. So I just find it less stressful on the hour. So for me, this is where I want to see the opportunities. So at the moment, I don't like the opportunity to the downside. It doesn't look very well structured, and I would be waiting for a break to the upside of 107,626 before even looking at this. So with that is all I have for you today, and we will catch up with you on Monday, and hopefully we get some traction soon, because it's been kind of chaotic just waiting for better days and not getting the opportunities to get in on that retest, but it will come. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Cheers for now.